Hey, we're live. Good morning, everybody. We're a little bit late this morning, but it's okay. Good morning. Good morning. Nathan Ramirez, Vincent and Ella, good morning. Happy Thursday, everybody. Stinkfinger is in the house. Oh, man, you always crack me up. Good morning, traitorous chick. Good morning, Jack Wiley, Jagraj. Good morning, Dean Bishop. Good morning, Sam Owen, Peter. Good morning. Let's get it, boys and girls, ladies and gentlemen. S, good morning. Dominic, good morning. Rippin' and Dippin', R5 Studios, Darren Koss, Ben E, Dean Bishop, Crypto Calls, good morning. Terry W. Hey, how's it going, fellas? Oh, Timbo, Dove Gordon, Vishal, Almighty, Niles, Gizmarie, good morning, Clyde, Dabda, good morning, Artie Trades, Grant Thompson, Red Poker, Black Coffee Trader in the house, good morning, Dominic, Bruce Lee. Hey, Design Knob is in the building, good morning. Was just about to over the buffer of a 250K PA, then the spike up happened and wiped out. Oh, what was this spike, by the way, Design Knob? I am totally with you. I got absolutely wrecked on this spike. I was very mad. I got absolutely wrecked. On these accounts, I was up $140 on these three My Funded Future accounts. I was literally up $140, and this rip higher just wiped out everything. Yeah. Let's just say I was not happy with that. It was kind of, I mean, I did have a stop loss. I should have had a way tighter stop loss, but I thought I was fine. I was short off of this kind of resistance right here at the 775s. I was in profit, thought everything was fine. My target was right here at the 746s, and we got absolutely wrecked. Made me a little bit mad, but I'm over it. I got over it. I need to go fill my water. And we're back. And look at this. Kind of getting a choppy open here. Hmm. 200 points over a phone call. What was that spike higher, Design Knob? What was it actually? China and Trump had a phone call. Oh, really? That's it? That's BS. I feel like I should get my money back. All right, let's see. I'm going to be trading this Ratify account. Feels a little bit heavy right now. I don't know. Let's see if we make a move lower. Low of the day, low of the overnight session, pre-market session is the 710s. So had that 529 daily wick to fill. What? Yeah, I know. I know. I know. I saw that too. Right here on the 4-hour chart. This right here. And we swept up through the 850s. And now, I mean, it's going to be very interesting to see. Are we going to just keep... Why is this... want this... There we go. But yeah, that sweep here... I mean, so far, everything, like, so far, every dip is just a buying opportunity. But it's which dip do you buy? That's the question. We are going lower, folks. We are going lower. Retesting that 15-minute opening range low. I mean, I kind of want to look for longs, right? I want to look for longs, but I do not want to get trapped in one of these rips. We get these big rips lower, and you just gotta get... I don't know. If you get trapped in those, it's ugly. They're very unforgiving, those rips lower. But so far, every news event, it seems like we retrace the move. I've noticed that recently. Like, we get a news event and it retraces the move. We retrace this move, and now we've retraced this move. So, I don't know. This is where it gets very tricky. I'll take a stab here long if we get close to this 720, 710 area. All right, let's see. Getting a pump here off the 740s now. This is where it's so difficult. Like, do you just ride this rip? We get a lot of V-shaped moves. It's tempting to just jump on and see if we can't ride it right back up to the highs. But, of course, the first time I try to finally... If I try to finally ride a V-shaped move, you know, that's when we're going to get the continuation sell-off, you know? You know, that's how it go. That's how it be. Hey, Charles Ward, how's it going? Anyone else have any live data issues with Take Profit Trader? Yeah, we have heard. I have heard a lot of those live data, delayed data issues. I guess you just have to reach out. The only resolution I know is to reach out to Take Profit Trader support, and you just have to wait till they fix it. By the way, happy June 5th, everybody. Oh, man. No, Apex is asking proof of my strategy before approving my payout. What's going on? Dominican Trader, I mean, they've been asking that. That's not... I mean, that's been going on in the last 2 weeks. Send it to him. Unless he... I mean, I would. They're basically trying to weed out. There's people that are using copy trading. People are using copy trading services. People are using signal services. And I don't know. Do with it as you please. But they're trying to weed out... I mean, if you're... Yeah. Still waiting since Monday for support to respond on Take Profit Trader. Yeah, honestly, I saw a couple little bit concerning, saw a couple things about Take Profit Trader that a little bit concerning. Thus, yeah, I don't know. I don't want to speak to it too much because I mean, I want to always make sure I have the full context of everything. What are the two indicators? This is just a volume indicator, and this is what I mean, it's called the Wada Atari Explosion Indicator. You can get it for free on TradingView, I believe. All right, let's see if we get a continuation here. If we do not, I feel like a long here above the 800s. A long above the 800s should be safe, but might give this a try. This might, I don't know, is this going to be the just V-shaped move higher? I guess. I don't know. I just don't want to. Please don't wick me in and then rip lower, please. Hey, Clarity in the building. Good morning, Clarity. I hope not just requested Take Profit Trader payouts, John. I mean, you should be good. It was kind of a weird situation that I saw. I mean, there were two different situations. One of them was someone was using the copy trader. Someone was using the copy trader with 5 Take Profit Trader accounts, and the copy trader messed up. And you know how sometimes when it messes up, it will fill. So basically, if not all the accounts get filled on your original entry, and then when it hits your take profit, it will put you in reverse position. Like something similar to that happened. The guy saw that it happened and he immediately closed his position, and he has the data to prove, like, he immediately closed it, but they closed all of his pro accounts because of hedging. Because I guess technically it would be hedging for that couple seconds that those trades were open. Whoa, look at that rip. Okay, we closed this trade. Wow, look at that. Now, of course, the one day that I don't play the continuation lower, we get the nice move lower. Go figure. Go figure. I that's just how things go sometimes, man. All right, now we be patient though. I don't want to chase. I don't want to get FOMO here and chase this market, but let's go, John. If you were short, let's go. They just paid me. Yeah, John. I mean, I don't think there's any issues. I mean, the other one, they were asked to do a video. Take Profit Trader asked someone to actually do a video, a recording of them trading, very similar to what Apex has asked. So I don't know if that's a new thing that's going to be coming, but just something to be aware of, I guess. I mean, we've seen this in the past. Apex will do something, and then you see a lot of prop firms follow in their footsteps. I don't know if that's going to happen here, but I don't know. Matty Matt. When you talk about copy trader, are you talking about Replicanto? I'm not even sure. I think it was Replicanto. Yes, I think so. Remember the time Stinkfinger showed up at halftime and the Mud Dogs won the Super Bowl? I don't remember that. Okay, here we are at the 700s. What a move lower here. I guess this rip higher was just fake news. I don't know. All right. I mean, now that we're down below the 700s, I think we look for a continuation. If we get a pullback, I think we look for shorts until proven otherwise. And then just, I guess we just need to hope that we don't see that reversal, V-shaped reversal move is going to kill us. But I'm okay. I'm okay with it. We're going to look for our regular setup. Man, I'm disappointed with my funded future accounts. That really upset me. Really upset me. I was up $140 and I was thinking about closing my trade. I was literally right here. I was literally thinking, okay, I could just close, but my target was like $210 and I thought I was in good shape. I mean, I thought my target was very realistic, so I thought, nah, I'm going to keep it. Not going to panic out. Talk myself into staying in the trade, and then the Trump call happened, and we literally ripped 100+ points. That got my attention. That got my attention. Yeah, exactly, John. Exactly. We've seen it before. You ever seen anyone trade more contracts on Take Profit Trader? I have a limit of 15, had 27 on. Oh. I guess I never thought of that, Rad Poker. I don't know. So is Apex not cool with us using Replicanto? No, Real Grimmer. I was talking about Take Profit Trader. No, you can use Replicanto, Trade Copier. Yeah, you can use them. Ugh. 8:45. I don't think it was Trump. No, it was. It was Trump. Something leaked that Trump was on a phone call with China, and that's what caused the rip, I'm pretty sure. Unless I know there was also some news conference, but at least from what I was told, it was. Okay, I'm going to be looking here. All right, let's see. I want to see if we retest this 760, 65 area and we start to lose out, then I'm going to I'm going to look for a short here. But man, this is so it's so scary. We've seen so many times where this thing will just V-shape reverse higher. I'm not going to chase this. We're going to wait till we get up to this 765 area. If we test this, like to see it test this, and if we fail, I will jump in short, but watch this just rip lower now. I hate to see it. I am red for the day, Mo Freelance Trader. Freelance Trader, was that taken care of then? Your payout, was that all cleared up and taken care of? I wasn't sure I wasn't 100% sure if that was taken care of, but fear not, it will go up. It does seem like it. Yeah, we got shafted on the My Funded Futures account. That only needed 2 more days and I could request another payout on 3 accounts, and now that's in jeopardy. So I was very close to going on tilt on those accounts, and I thought, let's not blow those accounts because of one bad luck. Just need to hit the sell button and grab a handful. Dude, I should go short here. Man. Gonna regret this. I know it, but I gotta stick to my plan. I guess I'm gonna wait. I'm gonna wait. You were expecting a Rickroll. Good morning, Max90. How we doing? See, this could be both directions. If we get back above the 740s here, you could take a long. Honestly, if you're looking for a reversal, a move back above the 740s would be justifiable long. I just don't know. I don't know. I'm gonna stick to my original. My original plan was to retest the 765s, and if we get a short entry, we take it. That's my plan. I'm sticking to it. And then if we get Rickrolled, we get Rickrolled. Alchie Fee, good morning. Trade Trip, good morning. How can you show accounts with trades, profit, loss, etc., and others are saying YouTube can block them because they're full of crap? Yeah, this certain YouTuber that I've talked about in the past, it's weird. All his live sessions all of a sudden disappeared. And now it's like, oh, YouTube is coming after me. Yeah, right. I can't, if you guys keep, if you believe that stuff, I can't help you. Hey, good morning, Lonnie Clevenger. Good morning, Naruto. I also started getting tilted, but for once I recognized it and you shut it down. That is such a milestone achievement, Naruto. If you feel a tilt session coming and you shut it down and walk away, it won't feel good. Like, this is weird, but it won't feel good that you shut down until the next day. The next day is when you will look back and like, wow, that was actually, I did the right thing. And you still have your accounts. That's when it will kind of register that it was the right decision. Because when you do it, all you see is, everything you see is, oh, I could have made money there. Could have made money there. Could have made money there. And we all know it could have just as easily gone the other way and you could be blowing your account. So usually the clarity comes after the fact. Compliance request. Yes, Queek Gaming. Yes. I know, that's, you just do it. Enter your information and submit it. I mean, that's what else I mean, I don't know what else you want to tell me. You want me to say you have to just submit your what compliance is asking. If you don't want to submit, I mean, I would highly suggest you submit it and people get approved then and move on. But if you have payouts, submit what they're asking for, get your payouts, and then if you want to dip, you know, then dip. But don't give them the satisfaction of freaking out and canceling your accounts and voiding your payouts. Don't do that. Oh dear, I need to pay attention here. What am I doing? All right, we need to pay attention. Wow, is this really gonna just... It's starting. It's... I actually need to look at a short right here. Right here. We get back above the 740s, I'm gonna close. Why is my fill like that? That's weird. Something ain't right. Dip it, boys. Rip it. Really need this to keep... Give me a continuation here, please. Give me a continuation. Go! Go! Let's go! Let's go! All right, we might make new lows here. I'm just interested in getting that double test of the lows here. I don't know why my fills are not right. Let me reload all my data. Something is wrong. I've had that happen before, but that's annoying. Why is it showing? Like, I took a break-even trade here, and now it's showing my fill right there? Whatever. Whatever, dude. Let me try to reload again. Anyone here get a letter for compliance? Yeah. What should I do, Queet Gaming? I mean, I just said. I mean, do what they're asking. It's not that hard. I mean, hello? All right, I give up. This thing just can't. I don't know. Something is wrong with my execution thing. Something is wrong. If I didn't chicken out, that would have been a good short. What should you do? Did they give you a choice? Exactly. If you want to get paid, then do what they're asking. It's not, I mean, I don't know what else you can do. But like I said, my suggestion would be do what they're asking, even if you don't like it. I get it. It sucks. And if you don't want to do that, but at least do it so you can get your payout. And then if you want to dip, I mean, I understand it. I'm not going, I mean, to me, is it annoying? Yes, it is annoying. Do I think it's necessary? I don't know. Depends on who you believe. I do want to say this. I did see, and it was a screenshot. I did see in two different discords, people were admitting that they got the email. I'm not saying if you got the email that this is what happened to you. I'm not saying that you're doing this, but in two different discords, people literally admitted they got that email and they were basically, they had done cancellations and chargebacks, which if you do a chargeback on Apex, you get banned. It's an automatic ban. They did chargebacks, they got banned, and then they opened accounts in their wife's name, and they were trading under their wife's name, and that is why they were flagged. And now they got caught. They were trading under their wife's name or their daughter's name and their kids' names. And now when they were asked to do trade recording, or not recordings, but like basically, I don't know how things get determined and caught. I have no idea, but I'm sure there are definitely people that are getting the email that are doing nothing wrong. And if you submit what they're asking, you're going to get approved and have no issues. And I also know that there's people that are definitely doing things wrong and they're getting caught. And those might be the ones that are the most upset about it. I don't know. All right, now I'm very happy I got out down here. I am very happy I got out. Guys, we are 18. Our current balance on our Tradeify Live account is 18,640. Let's go. We're above our initial balance. I also had the request. I just submitted my day 5. It's not that hard if you have a strategy. I mean, yeah, is it annoying? 100% it's annoying. Would I be annoyed if I got the email? Yes. But would I submit it? Yes. I would submit it and move on with my life. I would submit it and keep getting payouts. That's my plan. Yeah, Max 90. I'm sure the same IP address. I don't even know how things get triggered. I tried to find out, like, okay, how does this get triggered? Honestly, I got a lot of gibberish that makes no sense and I don't believe. So whatever. I think some of it is, part of me thinks it's random. I don't know. Don't make no sense to me, but it's just annoying. It's the best way to say it is it's annoying, but we do things that are annoying all the time. If we have a job, we go do the job and there's things that part of the job that you have to do that are annoying, but you do it because, you know, then you get paid. And it's kind of like that. Uh Trading is annoying. Trading is annoying the way it is, and now you have to do more nutty things and more annoying things. Such is life. Such is life sometimes, you know? Well, the market, this is interesting here because we're not doing the V-shaped move higher. At least not now. So this is definitely, but we failed to make new lows on this move. We failed to make new lows. And you could almost talk me into taking a stab at this long, but I'm going to wait. Red poker. We listen to John. I like that. I like John has broad shoulders. He can handle the pressure. He can handle it. Just let me know, John, if you start to feel a little bit too much pressure, let me know. And I'll put some Ben and Rose slowly but surely on, and that will calm you right down. I know it will. You just let me know. I'll help you out. Dean Bishop. They sent me an email to send my strategy as they said no one could be this bad. Oh, actually, I know why they're doing it, guys. I know why. I know why they're asking for strategies. They're asking people for their strategies, not because they want to copy your strategy, but they want to reverse engineer your strategy. So you're blowing so many accounts. They're appalled. They're actually appalled how you're doing it. And they're trying to reverse engineer a strategy around your strategy. Don't take offense to it. It's okay. I'm just kidding. All right, we are making a move higher. Back up almost to that 765 area. This is a difficult. They asked for previous 2 days and the next 3 days of trading info. Who did? Wick Snipper? I don't think they're asking for the previous 2 days. I think they're just asking for the 5 days. Like 5 days from what I've seen. Saying I'm moving to my first PA account that when I bought evals last night after blowing my, yeah, so the new PA account stuff I think is them collecting their data ahead of time just to get, basically they're being proactive and they're collecting that data now so they have it, so when basically they want to get you approved now instead of when you request a payout, they want to get you, I mean, which I kind of I'm okay with. I would much rather they get the data they're looking for and approve you when you get your PA so that when you request a payout, then you're good to go, than to do it when you request a payout. I mean, I would rather it not happen at all, but if I had to choose, I'd rather do it at the beginning of the PA than at the end, if that makes sense. All right, market. This is tempting. Like, this is almost starting to look like we're doing the slow grind higher. It is starting to look like we are doing the slow grind back up. But we need to get above, like, we need to get above the VWAP first. and foremost. Fail the 3-minute opening range again. Oh man, John, that I haven't tested that 3-minute strategy in a long time. But I will say, man, the opening trades so far have been pretty clean. Like the opening trade, it goes a direction and gives you a pretty decent amount of points. It's not as choppy as it has been in the past. So I don't know. Interesting. Hey, Sharouz is in the building. Good morning. Jordan, good morning. I click on the link in the email and it doesn't allow me to open it. What do you mean it doesn't allow you to open it? Like the web browser goes to a bad link? Is it a bad link or what? Yeah, Alpine has been doing great with his opening range trade. I think that's a big part of it. The opening range trade has just been a very clean move for the most part, so I'll love to see it. All right, we are starting to fade here. Let's see is this another attempt lower, a failed attempt at new lows or not? Let's see. You definitely could take a short right here, but I'm not gonna risk it. We failed to make new lows. We might do it here, but I'm chilling. I don't have access to first week. Is anybody else that got the email with the link? Is anybody else seeing that message? I don't have access to first week. I don't have access to first week. That's weird. They did not ban the opening range trade. You just can't play it on both sides. You can't do you can't, that's what they banned. They didn't ban, yeah, you can still do it. You just can't ban both directions. I don't have active PA accounts, so should I trade on practice account and submit trades information? Wait, Max 90, you got the email and you don't have any active PA accounts? That's weird. See, that's when I hear that, then I'm like, there's definitely like some people are getting this email that have no business receiving the email. You are able to add more evals if needed. I received this email. I finally have a payout on a review at Apex. I'm nervous. Hey, good luck, Daniel T. As long as we that's weird. Right, Dabda. And there was a time where the opening trade, like we just had a lot of choppiness right at the open. But lately it's been a nice clean move. Yeah, Nathan Ramirez. Mess with our heads. Yeah, sometimes I'm wondering about that. A lot of weird random emails going out from Apex. You don't even have any current evals, and you got the email. Yeah, like I said, I'm pretty sure that people are getting the email that shouldn't. Very weird. Maybe I got the email. Let me check. I haven't even checked my emails yet. Maybe I did get it. Let me look. It probably goes into my spam account folder. Uh Nope, I don't have anything. Dun, 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 dun. Okay, sorry about that. All right, we are back. Are we just going sideways? It looks like we're gonna go sideways now. We're gonna get a move. I got a feeling. I don't know. Something tells me we're gonna sell off today. I think we're due. Hey, Stephen Arthur. Good morning, Great Dane. They don't send them to you guys, Great Dane. I don't know. I don't know. Just checked it was in your spam. So what do we need to do? I don't even know. Can someone send it to me? Mobile app YouTube does not auto-complete the at names. I know, Sharouz. I've realized that too. It's so annoying. It is so annoying. I think we're gonna sell off. Better get long now. That's right. Yeah, Toodle Pip Trader. All right, market. You know, I could justify a short here. What's with all the emails they sent out a business offer and people accept? What? Johnny 40. You almost got me. You almost got me. Oh man, we're just going sideways here. After Apex TPT, who would you recommend as a third form? I mean, I would do Tradeify. I think Tradeify is probably like I would actually I don't know. I actually think I think I would recommend Tradeify above Take Profit Trader right now. I don't know. I think it'd be a close, but I would definitely I would recommend Tradeify. My Fund of Futures is great as well. No complaints, but you have a full-time job and now this Jake Spuge. Yeah. Very choppy here. Very choppy here. It's been a while, I guess a couple days since we've had this sideways. But it's only 10:20, so it's kind of weird that we're getting this price action this early in the day. You're back to grade school, guys. You have to submit homework. Funded Next Futures. I mean, I don't have any history with them. All right, market trying to get a move higher here. Trying 750s being tested here. I'm kind of interested in a long here. I mean, the fact that we have not made new lows, I feel like longs are almost worth the risk here. All right, back to the 760s. Let's see. Okay, she's ripping, boys. Testing the VWAP now. There she goes. I just need a pullback. Need a pullback to get in long here. Oh, what is my strategy? I mean, I trade. Yeah, I wait for pullbacks. Basically, bear flag, bull flags, I guess, is what people call it. The cool kids call it nowadays. Talking about homework, I had a nightmare of missed homework slash final of my college life for the next 20 years. Guess that's called PTSD. I think I remember, I mean, even from grade school, like missing, like waking up in the morning and it's time to turn in your test papers or something, and not until then do you realize that you forgot to do it. That's a nightmare material. Dan Deloy Dan. How many accounts we can have simultaneous at Tradeify? You can have 5 accounts simultaneously. Uh, dude, I have those same nightmares. Yeah, that is definitely a nightmare. I feel like everyone relates to because, man, we're not getting a pullback. We're ripping, boys. Be ripping higher. Oh, this is where it sucks. Don't get no pullback. It just goes. Come on, market. Or when the other kid asks you what you wrote in your assignment and you're like, what? What assignment? I have 40 300K evals reoccurring. Yeah, the 300Ks, man. 300Ks are so hard to pass. Come on, market. Give me a pullback. Don't just go straight up. You know better. Oh, this is where I feel like sometimes, I don't know. And I can't chase it. I mean, I could chase it, but I'm not going to. We tested the 800s now. Want to see a pullback. Want to see a pullback maybe down back to the VWAP here, maybe. We just got another email saying payout approved. I haven't even responded to the compliance email. Yeah, I saw that too. Like, I don't think it's all pending on your payout. They just want it going forward. I don't know. I see people that get it with the new, like when they get new PAs, people get it, but then it makes no sense. Some people are getting it. They don't even have evals. So make sense of that one. Come on, market. Don't just go straight up. Please. 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 Killing me. My code for Tradeify, NBT, baby, the best code. Thank you, Quick Amy. I appreciate it. N and a B and the T. Very easy. N to B to T. Except for Take Profit Trader. Take Profit Trader is Nutty Bar, all caps. Because Take Profit Trader can go fly a kite in relation to that. Do I like the Project X platform? Not really. I prefer Trade-of-8 because then I can connect it with my Ninja Trader, and then I can have all my accounts here at the same place. So, yeah, not I don't. I don't know. This is hard to get in. We're just is unfortunate. Like, I don't know. It is what it is. We just got to be patient. But really don't get much. Not getting any pullbacks. It's going straight up. Trying to sucker me into just buying the micro pullback, and then it's going to give me a 50-point pullback. Okay, finally getting a pullback. Yay. Right, no, we just need to be patient. Let's test this. Oh boy, we dipping, boy. Oh, we're going lower. Now it's definitely not gonna. Man, we really just gonna come all the way back down to this range? Jeez. Now I don't really think there's a trade here. Real talk, Apex is becoming worse than a pregnant woman in their worst symptoms. Worse than a 50-year-old woman going through menopause. Shots fired, shots fired. Oh dear. Minus 1.5K in 5 Tradify accounts. Today's better, but still red for the week. Hey, way to recover. Hey, Mr. Wall Street, initial long. Yeah, something's happening here. I ain't jumping in here. Trump farted. uh Oh, wow. Is this news related? 50-point move lower here. I might take a stab here. Feeling pretty heavy here. All right, I'm looking for a quick pop. Nothing crazy. No, that's not. What was Okay, that was such bull crap. This execution is so messed up and it really triggers me. That actually upset me. What is going on? I should probably not be trading this. That was so frustrating. That was BS. How how did how did I get filled? Either my price was lagging because I placed my stop loss right here, but it wouldn't let me place it. And then it closed me out here at the 720s. So weird. Very, very weird. Nice, Charles Ward. Was it another China thing? Yeah, see, now it's going to rip, of course. Okay, I'm going to turn off my executions because this is annoying me. Of course we're going to rip now. I might jump in here. What is going on? Anybody out there? What kind of BS is this? So, this is terrible. Can't enter trades in this market. Exactly design knob. So annoying. So annoying. This is BS. Can the orange man just stop doing whatever he's doing, please? My goodness. Yeah, this is not tradable, folks. Not tradable here. Seems every day it's like this. 500 is a bit expensive for 5 accounts if I keep firing this up. I don't know, Matty Matt. That is it does get a little crazy. Hey, how we doing, Niles? Joking. I have 5 PAs at 29,500. I need to flip 2 days. I mean, you can try joking, but I would recommend that you just keep trading normally because they are cracking down on the $50 flip days. You mean, you can try it. You can try it. I don't know. I haven't. Wow, look at this. You know what, market? Go fly a kite. Garbage. Garbage market. Literally get stopped out here. Where did I get stopped out here? The 720s on a BS stop out? That makes no sense. My funded future, why are you disconnecting? Something must be happening, guys. Something is happening. Hey, let's go, Carolina. Let's go. The technical term for this market is ape shit. Yeah, Tim. Ah, I think the meeting Rips was referring to has ended. Okay. This market, I'm telling you, ain't gonna be good. Today's good. Today seems like one of them days. Very whipsawy. And now my Fund of Future account. What is going on? Try to reconnect. There we go. I think we are heading to the 860s and then potentially the overnight highs at the 900s. Overnight highs at the 900s. Oh, you mean this one? Yeah. I mean, obviously, yeah, it does look like we are going to take out those highs. But man, this thing is crazy volatile all of a sudden. I'm trying to figure out exactly why is this being so volatile? What am I missing? Wow, all the way back up. Why is it irrelevant? Just accept that it say what? Uh Trump said he is open for another round of talks. Okay. So it's the Chinese. Tells Trump US should remove negative measures on China. Says Trump is welcome to visit China again. I see. Embrace the volatility? I'm not a big fan of volatility. I always get completely blasted. Just go in with a dozen minis. What could go wrong? Why don't we do that? You know what? Why don't we go in with 5 minis? What's the worst that could happen? I mean, the worst that can happen is I lose $2,000. That's technically the worst that can happen. Oh man. I mean, it's true. That is actually the worst that can happen. All right, if we get back down to like the 800s, is it worth taking a stab at this? Actually, you know what? Let's trade micros. We can trade 5 micros here. Is it worth taking a stab at this? Nervous, but I think it's worth it. Trying to think where my stop should be. Technically, like below the VWAP here. Yes. I don't know. Trump's probably going to tweet right now that he's going to put a 500% tariff on everybody. Everybody. You get a tariff. You get a tariff. Everybody gets a tariff. Rip it. Come on. Come on. Don't leave me hanging. Don't leave me hanging. 500% tariff. He's gonna do 100. He's gonna do a 500% tariff. He's gonna do a tariff on affiliate codes. Oh man, you hate to see it. Market, go up, please. And thank you. Don't make me come up there. Don't make me come in there. I'm gonna have to take my baby gains here. Just take me out, I guess. Take me out to the ball game. Are you serious? Let's not do this, market. Let's not do this. No, let's not. Oh. Let's be peaceful today. Let's be peaceful today, NQ. Let's be peaceful. Please don't choose violence. Don't choose violence today. Fill me. Hello? Anybody there? Hello? I'm getting very anxious. Getting very anxious here. All right, I'm going to move my target up here just so it can keep going higher. I think it's scared to fill me. I need to just give it a bigger target. Wants a challenge. Market, I'm not kidding. I'm not joking here. Oh, Alexa. Rip it. Oh, come on, market. Do it. Do it. Let's go. Hey, we're back to green. We're back to green. I need a warning before you yell rip it. Unfortunately, I cannot control when I say that. I can't control it. Oh man. I embraced the volatility. I did. I embraced it, and now I have hemorrhoids. I puckered up so bad that I now have hemorrhoids thanks to the volatility. But you're welcome. I do it for you guys. Uh-oh, Matty Matt. Uh-oh. Oh, man. The things I do for this stream. At what point Tradeify move you go live? On your 6th payout request. On your 6th payout request, you will be moved live. And now we're going to go. I should have held. I should have held. 1,500 on the dot. Let's go, Matty Matt. At 6th payout, do we get all the balance we accumulate in the account? Yes, up to 5%. Up to 5% of the account size. So, or is it 10%? No, it's 10%. So on a 150K account, you can transfer up to 15,000. So any balance over 15,000, I believe you would forfeit. So they do cap your sim payout. Basically, they do cap how much you can move to live, I guess, would be a better way to say it. That is with Tradeify. Question is, if I forgot to use the no fee code, will I still have to pay an activation fee on the one accounts? Yes, you will. On Apex? No, there's no cap on Apex. I'm talking about Tradeify. We did kind of, we could have definitely held that trade for a little bit longer. It was a nice move higher. Let's see if we get a move above that 860s, 900s. Oh, your 4th request from the same account? Let's go, Saral. That's awesome. I paid full price for the eval. You forgot to use a code, Matty Matt. What? Oh, that hurts my soul. You paid full price for the eval. Oh, that is rough. Ouch. I don't know that you're gonna. I don't know. I don't think that's. I don't think they're gonna help you out on that one. Unfortunately. Hope I'm wrong. Wow. Just straight back up. We missed it. We totally missed it. I guess we didn't miss all of it. We did catch some of it. All right, we're just sitting up here. Let's see we get through the 900s. Can we I if we fail to make new highs here and we pull back again, do I take the long again? I think I do. I think I do. I think with this volatility, trading 5 micros is going to be fine. That way we can DCA if we need to. When do you plan to withdraw from your live, Samir? I mean, I was hoping to wait till I have like 3,000, something like that, and I can make a $3,000 request. Something in that area is kind of what I was thinking. But right now, I'm trying to get my one live account like back above, getting it close to the same amount as the other one. But geez, my wall's falling apart. Do we have to pay professional data on live? Yes, you do, Montego Blue. Montego Blue Trading, you do. They take it. They basically just remove it from your live account balance. You have to request on a live account, Mr. Wall Street. I mean, yeah, you just basically email. You get a personal risk manager. You email him, and you tell him which account and how much you want to take out. Gutenberg, that is trade day. That is trade day, prop firm. If you break your consistency rule with Apex, do you just trade 8 more days? Anthony, I mean, you just keep trading. You can't really break a consistency rule because you just keep trading until your profit is above, is high enough so that you're below the consistency rule. So, and then you can request. They can deny it. I mean, not really, but I mean, I can't personally go in and request the money, Wall Street. You have to tell them you want the money and then they'll go out and get it for you. It's technically you are trading, how would you call it? But you're trading for Tradeify and they have to actually request it. They actually have to, but I don't think, no, I mean, they can't deny it unless the only reason they could deny it is if you requested, like if you requested a dollar amount that was too much, if you couldn't request that much, then obviously you would get it. Did I get the email? No, I did not, Josh. I did not. Are we allowed to DCA with Apex PA accounts? You're allowed to do that, Queek Gaming, but, be aware of the 30% drawdown rule. You start DCAing, it's pretty easy to violate that. I don't know. Be careful of that. Hey, let's go, Daniel T. Homework. You did your homework. I love to see it. How's the trading going today, Kevin Tobias? Honestly, not terrible. I had honestly, I got shafted twice today. On my MyFunded Future accounts, I was up $140 on this short trade. And this candle just absolutely destroyed me. And then right here, I was long right here and got stopped out on, I don't even know what it was, but got stopped out here at the 720s. So wouldn't be for those two trades, I'd be having a really good day. But of course, that's not how it goes. He's an affiliate. Why would Apex send him an email like that? Yeah, true. I get all the good treatment. how low can your live account balance go before you get liquidated, Samir? I mean, I don't know. I had this account that's now at 10,000. That account was at a $2,500 balance at one point. So I don't even know. I'm not sure. Who's the cat that won't cop out when trouble is lurking? Why? Yeah, Kevin Tobias. It could definitely be a lot worse today. It could definitely be a lot worse, but you know, feel like I haven't really taken that like any bad trades, but I've kind of gotten shafted a little bit. Yesterday I got lucky though. So I can't complain today about getting unlucky because yesterday we had that one big drop lower and I was long and I took my profit literally, I don't know, 5 seconds or so before that huge rip lower. So you win some, you lose some. Man, I could almost take this long. Feel like volatility has calmed down a little bit. Let's see if we can make new highs. First, we need to get filled. How many minis you trade to make that comeback? Honestly, about 1 to 2 minis. 1 to 2 minis is about what? Yeah. Hey, we're in, boys. Now rip it. Give it to me. Do I try to hold for the 900s? Do I? Let's see if we can make new highs. We're going to have to be careful here. Be tempting to try to hold for the 900s, but let's see. Got to get up through that 880 level first. You can do it, market. I believe in you. I believe. What is the longest losing streak you remember being on? Gee, beginning of the year, I was in a really the beginning of the year, I was in a pretty bad. That's about as long as I remember. I think it was like 2 weeks. It was close to, or maybe a little bit over 2 weeks, where just everything I touched just immediately went to red. And if you're ever in a trading slump like that, where everything you touch is red, it's not a fun place to be. Oh, that is not a good place to be, man. All right, we need to see this get above the 870s first of all. I'm trying to think if I want to be greedy or not. I feel like I'm asking for trouble if I don't just take my profits here. Or some, I recall you started the year slow. I did. I started the year on a really bad. It was just bad. I was very frustrating. K market, don't be like this. Are we really gonna do this? What I get for trying to be greedy. Should have just taken my profit. If we can get filled. Just fill me here. I'll be happy with a fill. Give it to me. Give me the money. All right, there we go. Can I show executions? Okay. The micro executions are correct, so we can... Now, we were probably going to rip straight up through the 900s now that I took my profit. Watch. Watch. Take notes. Take notes, guys. Oh, just see if we make new highs. We do need to we need to get above this 880. If we need to get above the 880s in order for us to... And I'm scared of these. I'm scared of these overextended pullbacks that we seem to get lately. But right now I do like the slow grind higher. Enter where you take your profits. Thank you, Cly. That actually did frustrate me quite a bit, but try to not let it get to me. That was, yeah, I don't know what that was called. When is my golf channel coming, Lynn Davenport? Don't even, yeah. I've been kind of frustrated with it, actually. I was hoping to have it by now, but yeah, so far it's been a struggle. And it's a lot harder than, yeah, it's a lot harder. Oh, whoa, there it goes. You knew it was going to happen. You knew it was going to rip. We're going to take out the 900s. You just knew it. Never fails. Never fails. If you take your profit, it goes. Hmm. And there she goes, right through the 300s. Unbelievable. Unbelievable. Closed way too early, man. You knew it was gonna happen. I mean, you guys, I told you guys. I told you guys. It was gonna happen. Did you help move that barn? Seen it in a local site locates. No, I did not, Lena. No, I did not. I actually broke the drawdown rule. I threw down more than 30%, but I got it all back in one day. I mean, Anthony, then you just request, and I mean, I've seen people that have done it once and they get approved, but if you get denied, then you just keep trading for 8 more days. My OCD wasn't having it after commissions. It was 490. A quick scalp, get over 500. Uh-oh, Citizen Zero. Oh, man, this is hard. Hmm. Through the 900s. I mean, it's time to look at the daily charts here. I mean, we are getting close to the all-time highs. Remember, guys, when we were at the 16,500s back in April? Remember that? That was a cool time to be alive. We might never see these numbers again. We might never see 16,500 the rest of our life. You never know. You never know. That is crazy. We live in a crazy world, man. Market only goes higher. Market only goes up. Then that's the rule. That is the rule. I guess we just wait for a pullback and then we get in again. This is just another day where the market goes higher. Actually, so tempted. We might, and we got to look at, maybe we might get a good setup for our Apex accounts. We might get a good setup here. This one could have been, possibly. All-time high incoming. It does feel like it. At market open, there was at 800 orders sitting at 22,000. Wow. The market would never have been created if it only went down. It's true. Activation fee on Apex right now is $100. Yes, that is correct, Lax Nation. Any idea what people do when they get email from compliance? I'm thinking about moving to Apex alternatives. I mean, what you do is you submit what they're asked for. I don't know what else to tell you. The scalp, if I held, or you move on, but if you have profits in your PA account, then I would highly recommend, submit what they're asking for so you can at least get your payouts. And then if you want to move on, move on, but at least submit so you can, get your payout. You worked hard for it. A little bit of extra homework shouldn't stop you. I hope not. But man, we are just grinding higher. Oh, come on. Can we get a pullback? I have a hard time staying in winning trades. Any advice? SkyMat, put your trade on, put your stop loss on, put in your take profit, and then go to Walmart. My best advice. That sounds like a joke, but it's actually true. If you have a hard time staying in or if you have a hard time, it's probably because you micromanage it. And the best way to avoid micromanaging it is to walk away from your screen. But obviously, have a stop loss in place, take profit, and then walk away, literally walk away. And give yourself a half-hour time or whatever, and don't, just walk away, get something else, do something else, go to Walmart, talk to the Walmart greeter for 10 minutes, whatever. Ask the Walmart greeter if she's having a good day. Get distracted with something, and then come back and check your trade. Oh, man. It's actually true. I'm not even kidding, man. I heard the same thing from Al Brooks. See? See? It's actually true. I think honestly, part of the reason that I do so well in my overnight trades is actually because of that. Because, for example, actually, we have a perfect example. In an overnight trade, I would have put my entry here, and my stop loss would have probably been right here, and my take profit would have been here at the 900s. And guess what? It would have worked. But here, I got nervous and I took my profit too early. Perfect example of it happening. And I think that's actually a big reason why I'm trading. I do better in the overnight session. It's because I'm not micromanaging my trades. Get a dog and take it for a walk. There you go. That'll work as well. Not sure if they extend it. Good till Sunday night. Yes. Like sneeze. RH, I was on day 4 of my PAs, but blew the accounts and don't see myself going back. Hey, I'm sorry, RH, and I understand. It's okay. I'm gonna try to take as much money as I can. And I would, that's what we're here for. Got 11 payouts this year so far, and then video verification request last month. Oh, I didn't know the last. Feels like I'm trading with the government. I hear you, man. Like I said, consistent trader. It's annoying. It's annoying, no doubt about it. It's annoying, but it's like sometimes when you have to work for money, you have to do things that are annoying. And again, do what is asked, do it. And if you can get your payouts and then you want to move on, I mean, I have no issue. My main thing is don't give them the satisfaction of just canceling your accounts if you have some. Get a payout. Try the best, build stuff out the best of your ability, and then whatever happens, happens. I feel called out. Apex Revenue Service. We're getting these micro pullbacks now. We're getting the micro pullbacks. Oh, man. Oh, man. I'm gonna, you know what? I need to check something. Hang on. Twitter. Twitter's going Twitter. Oh man. I am entertained for very oh man. Think about how many people have gotten that type of email this past week and all the info they're asking for. Does Apex even have enough people to take a look through it all in an effective and timely manner? I don't know. It's a good question. It's a fair question. What are the other prop firms that allow 20 accounts? Yeah, I mean, Apex, the only reputable one. I would not. I mean, I know there's another one, but if you you want to, that's not going to last. Once you hit the profit goal, can you take a payout then, or is it like Apex now with the buffer? I mean, if you hit your target, if you hit your target, then you can request a payout, and you have traded, I believe it's 10 days. Then yes. Have you heard of anyone getting feedback from Apex on the emails they've sent? I mean, I know that there've been people that have gotten approved after the email they submitted, gotten approved, and moving on. Design knob, I know. I know. Okay, market. Are we going to make a lower low here for the first time? We're going to test the 900s. And it's just crazy how this market only goes higher. It really is. The signs were there. I feel like I would have, and I definitely feel like I missed a getting stopped out here at the 720s. The way that I got stopped out, that actually, I can't think about it too much or it's going to trigger me. That actually was BS. That was very, very unfortunate. And I guess I'm going to jump in here. This is crazy, but it seems crazy to get in on these micro pullbacks, but so far, that's all we're getting. We'll also DCA here if we need to. You know, that's a good, we all love a good DCA here and there. A lot of fun. You don't think they're even looking at then, Niles? I mean, they might not be. I don't know. But again, yeah, I have no idea. I have no idea. Oh, are you serious? Someone needs to screenshot that. But you're asking for trouble. You're asking for trouble if you do that. That's funny, though. Okay, market. Maybe we DCA here. If we retest the EMA here, will be interested. Back into the class, coach. Hey, Coach Fred, good morning. Has anyone actually submitted what Apex is asking for? It's Gecko. Lots of people have. And it shouldn't be that hard. It would take me literally. You mark it up and send it. It doesn't. They just want to know that it's you, that you know actually how to trade. Hey, Rob Freeman. I mean, it's totally up to you. It's up to you. I do your own research and whatever fits your boat. I guess I have homework to do. It sounds like it. It sounds like it. Rip. Starting to go sideways. We're going sideways. The strategy is multifaceted. It's not something you can say A, B plus C. Guys, you're overthinking it. Give him a basic, it does not need to be a 2-page document. I mean, take one of your favorite setups and show that. It does not have to, it really doesn't have to be that difficult. I mean, it's, maybe we need to do I need to do a video on how, no, that would probably get me in trouble, but don't overthink it. Don't overthink it. Give him something very, very basic. Yeah, buy low, sell high. Or buy high, sell higher. Maybe a little bit more detail than that, but hey. Like, literally, I mean, it's literally, okay, if I was ready to take a trade, what do you look for? What do you look for? How do we explain 10 MNQ? How do we explain 10 MNQ revenge trading and then getting a payout successfully? Consistent trader. Okay, let me clarify. Definitely Definitely do not explain your strategy when you're ready to go on tilt. Explain your perfect setup. You don't, it doesn't, this is, okay, maybe this is what is confusing people. Don't explain what you have done in the past. Explain how you want to trade and like explain how a perfect setup looks like this. We all know that we all take these weird trades. That is not what they're asking for. They're not asking you to explain every single one of your trade history. They're asking if you actually have a strategy. That is your strategy. Doesn't mean that you're going to take that trade every single time. That's not the point. The point is, do you have actually a strategy to follow if you don't go off the rails? Y'all know it's going to go off the rails, but what is ELTDEN? It is trade day accounts. And if your strategy is to full port every single PA that you get based off of what, you know, you look at the moon location and what day of the month it is and the moon and everything, and you put that in, I don't know, that might not be what they're looking for. That might be a red flag that you actually don't really have a strategy and you just shoot from the hip every single time. I mean, the intuition trades, you know, I think that's where, you know, you pick your best intuition trade and what it looks like, and that's what you do. But it's annoying. It's so dumb. I reported a 6th day today for good measure. Let's go, Bull Tent. You're one of the classmates. You're one of the classmates in you're one of the students that always, you do a little bit more than the teacher asks. And then it makes all the rest of us that took shortcuts, it makes us look kind of stupid. You know what I was at school? I'll be honest. I was the type of guy around 3rd grade. I still remember this thought crossing my mind. And my parents, I shouldn't out myself like this, but I'm going to. So I was trying really, really hard to get grade A's in like up to like 3rd, 4th grade. I was trying so hard to get A's and B, you know, to get A's in school. I was trying so hard. And then one day someone told me that you actually can pass with an average grade of C. If your grade average is C, you still pass to the next grade. Once I knew that, I'm out. I'm like, are you kidding me? I'm like, are you serious? If I can get a C, I can pass. I'm like, then I'm not going to work as hard. I mean, I'm fine if I get a C. I don't care. So from there on, we just kind of mailed it in and like, you know what? I'll get a C. It's fine. I'll make sure I get a C, but I'm not going to work all that hard extra work for A's. What does that do for me? Nothing. So that was back in grade school, little Amish Nutty. And that was my thought process. It might not be the right one, but it is what it is. Did we just completely not... What are we doing, market? Are you trying to antagonize me? You piece of garbage. I was telling my story and I got distracted. It is the trade day. These get degrees. That's right. You know what I've noticed, guys? One thing I have noticed in life, people that are very, very book smart, I'm not saying this is the case for all people, but I have noticed that people that are very book smart, they lack something that is called common sense. I'd much rather have good common sense than be book smart. Shots fired. I said what I said. Uh, this is why Nutty finished 8th grade. What happens when we have neither? Oh, well, if you have neither, I don't even know. I have no idea. But I won't tell anyone. I won't tell anyone. They know what others tell them, but they can't create anything or have original thoughts. Man, I might have stirred the hornet's nest on that one. There are doctors who finish last in their class. Oh yeah. What do you call a doctor who earned C's? I don't know. Tell me. I live right near Princeton, and these people can do quantum physics in seconds, but they can't give you change for $1. Oh man. Oh, we are so screwed as a society. If the more I think about it, we live in a world I do not understand. We are living in a world where we have to Hmm. Come on, market. I need you to give me the 940s, please, with a sugar with a cherry on top. Come on. Let's go. I got that email as well on my first payout. Today was the 5th day of explanation. Do you know if they replay it? What? Do you know if they replay it? If they replay it? Did you mean to say? I'm not sure what is. I'm not sure that makes sense. From what I understand, once you've submitted, then you'll go through and then you'll get approved, or you might even get approved before they go through it. They replay to it. What am I missing? English is not my first language. Help me out, guys. So now Apex won't pay out if you don't comply to your own rules? No, that's not the no, Desref. That's where people are missing the point. It's why do I have to explain this? This is reply. If they reply to, do you know if they reply to it? Thank you. I couldn't find the right word that made that make sense. Thank you, V. Thank you, V33. I don't know. I would assume they do. But you know, it's Apex support, so there's a little gray area there. Today is my last day to submit. Can he send me once again email when we'll go? Rizzy, I hope you're joking. I hope you're joking, Rizzy, because that made less sense than what he said. Oh my gosh. Why? Why do I do this to myself? Do you know whether they approve payout requests when this compliance stuff is on? Yes, I have seen that people are getting approved even before they submit their compliance stuff. I would still submit a payout. But I would do both. Submit your requests and then, do both, but whatever. Yeah, Apex support is known for their prompt replies and very prompt responses, etc. Ha ha ha. Market! Why do you do this? Please. I'm trying to think, if we see an overextended rip lower, do I want to add or not? Kind of do. This is only going higher. It's so easy. Too easy. We just buy the dips. We keep DCAing. What's your strategy? I DCA until I'm right. And you will like it. You got approved and the payout. Let's go, Brisola Slip. Nicely done. That there can't be that many scammers. No, there isn't. I think it's more a I don't even know. You know what? I don't even know. I'm not even going to speculate. But whatever. You know what I sometimes think with Apex? I'm not joking when I say this. I sometimes think, and maybe this is, maybe you guys have to put your tinfoil hat on. You might have to put your tinfoil hat on right now. And this is me just purely speculating, okay? But sometimes I wonder if Apex does this, like Apex does all this stuff to basically get people to move on. If you're not serious about trading, then you're just going to move to the next. I don't know. I feel like they almost want some people just to move on. I don't know. And it's like, I mean, it doesn't really make sense, but nothing makes sense, you know? Put my tinfoil hat on. Take your tinfoil hat off now, please. I don't want to have it on all day long. I cannot. Ugh. They need all the money I give them, Dean Bishop. Maybe. But yeah, maybe. I don't know. Mr. Wall Street, I would love to see most of the people are idiots. I'd love to see the majority of the emails support gets. Facts. Facts. You know that's true. You know that's true. But then us smart ones get caught in the middle. That's unfortunate. You have to make the rules for the idiots, but then us smart ones get caught in the middle. We get caught in the crossfire. Okay, I'm an idiot too sometimes. I get it's okay to call other people an idiot if you understand that you yourself are an idiot as well. We're all idiots sometimes. Sometimes. Oh, what happened? Mark? Mom! Mom! It didn't fill me! Mommy! Meatloaf! Mom! Meatloaf! Oh, man. Meatloaf! All right, we need to stop that immediately. Market, I'm not kidding when I say I'm getting super annoyed right now. I'm getting super annoyed. Like super duper annoyed. Like really annoyed. Trump being interviewed. Oh dear. Trump is actually getting interviewed right now. Are you guys pulling my leg? Are you serious? Okay, I'm out. You talked me into it. If that was if Trump isn't actually being interviewed right now, whoever said that, I'm gonna ban you. Who was it? Who was it? Don't delete your comment. Don't do it. Da-da-da-da-da-da. Oh, D Zerf. Okay, I'm gonna watch. Hang on, is Trump being interviewed? Hmm. I think we're good. Could be a Trump pump or a Trump dump. We never know, V33. That's very true. We never know. Yep, you're good. I think we're good. Man, I really, you know what I want today, guys? I don't know why it's in my, I want to get this account to 10,000. Who says no? I think we can do it. We only need 1,950 more dollars. I think we can do it today. I just have it time to crack the knuckles, get stretched out a little bit. Ooh. Oh. Oh yeah, I'm feeling loose. I'm ready to rumble. I can do it with 5 minis. 5 minis would be, look, 5 minis would only be this big of a move right here. I only need, I need 20 points. I mean, why not? You know, the odds would be, 50-50 odds, or the odds should actually be in my favor, right? Because technically, what could go wrong? What could go wrong? That's how all the big guys do. They put on these 20 minis, 25 minis. I tell you what, someday we're gonna show up with these. I'm just kidding. We won't do that. Is there a minimum balance required on my funded futures sim funded account to request a payout, or how does it work? Het, I believe so, yes. But I am not that familiar with them, so hang on. But they do. They have a very nice frequently asked FAQ section where it will tell you. Pretty cool. Consistent trader, you are not going to find another prop firm that has 20 accounts, has Tradeovate, and has a low cost of entry. I can just save you the time. It is not, it doesn't exist. Oh, man. All right, I think the volatility has died down enough that we can use minis again. We're back on the minis. What could go wrong trading minis and Trump on a news conference? What could go wrong? A lot of things that could go right. Oh, by the way, guys, we have breaking news. Breaking news. Hang on. I want to show you guys something. This is important. This is actually very important. Hang on. Meanwhile, I need to take this trade. That's okay with you guys. Just make some money here. Give me the money. Go, baby, go. You can do it. Of course, it can't just go straight up. That would be too easy. Hang on. I got to find it. Guys, here's the breaking news. Here's the breaking news. Hang on. It's coming. Hang on, hang on, hang on, hang on, hang on. Everybody calm down. I know you're all chomping at the bit. Here's the breaking news. Amish music couple Ben and Rose. New song teaser. New song, boys. Oh, dream of me. Oh, you love to see it. Oh, we're going to hit that like. Hang on. Somewhere there was like a 20. Here, we can listen to it, guys.
Every time you get dream of me. Every time you get to feeling blue. Dream of me. And I'll be dreaming of you.
Let's go. Let's go, chat. Hearts in the chat. Hearts in the chat. New Ben and Rose song. Love to see it. It's beautiful, 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 beautiful. And yes, John, I did check. I zoomed in on the video. I zoomed in all the way, and I'm really sad to say it looks like Ben still hasn't gotten a shave. I think he's waiting for a sponsor with a shaving company. Design Knob is banning himself. Hey, market, what are we doing? Stop. I need to kill this. Oh dear. We probably need to kill this below this, right? This is gonna make me extremely sad. I might add one right here. Might be in, everybody hold on tight here. It's gonna get a little bit rough. Right, it's gonna get a little bit rough. Don't. We need a bounce here. Why you be like this, market? Why? Why? Nobody likes this. Nobody likes you when you're like this. Pump, 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 pump. Don't make me play Ben and Rose, because I will. I will. I will do it. Not good. This is not good. Look at this stupid. Looks like I made $3,000. Oh, I'm still in a trade? Uh-oh. Gotta be. Oh, I didn't. Oh, gee. Don't panic. Don't panic. What did Trump say? What did Orange Man say? And Trump, why you be like this? Come on, am I gonna have to kill this? Oh, you gotta be kidding me. Rip it! Rip it! Garbage, garbage, garbage. Come on. Be like this. Why? We got ourselves a situation here. Man. I don't even know what I'm doing here. Oh. Really can't get nothing now, huh? I'd be. Man, this makes me sad. Hmm. I mean, the market only goes up, right? Right? Can someone confirm? Doing the slow bleed lower, and I hate it. Getting ripped here. John, my strat is to keep moving my stop till it doesn't hit. Oh, that's a yikes. Time to DCA. Time to pray. You know when it's time to pray, it is over. Oh my word. We are actually getting so we are so done. We are so done here. Oh my word. We're getting cooked. We got cooked. Do we get a pump here? Is it worth taking the DCA for once? The one time. This is not looking good at all. Gotta be kidding me. All right. Forever hold your peace. We're pot committed. We're pot committed. Just not even getting any bounce here. Oh, we get it. Fine. Fine. Oh, I give up. They're so cooked. This is why trading minis is a death sentence. So hard. Should have just taken my loss, that original loss, which I thought I took, but then I was only out on one contract and thought somehow I could maybe save it, and it's gotten me in totally trouble. Getting cooked. Give me 100-point ripper here, would you please? Yeah, we're getting, this is not gonna recover. Unbelievable. All right. Got cooked today, chat. All right, this is the last ditch effort. Last ditch effort right here. We have no hope. Yeah, we're done. Oh, it is what it is. You hate to see it. Oh, where's Mad Cow? Where? Good, good. Hello, Mad Cow. How we doing? Wow, what a rip lower, man. Just was not ready. I did not think it would happen. I mean, I at least thought I'd get a chance to get out, and it just never did. Things are falling apart here at the office. Jeez. Man, that's so frustrating. Watch us get a rip higher now. Watch. Where was my fill? I don't know if there was news or not. I don't know, man. Man, that's so maddening. Urgh. I'm gonna have to walk away. I'm gonna make stupid. Hmm. I don't want to talk about it. Unbelievable. Seriously. Screw you, market. I don't like you anymore. We're gonna break up. Time to walk away. I need to go mow the lawn anyway. It's stupid. I am not going to sit here and watch this go back to the highs. There's going to be weird things happening that I cannot explain. If that happens, we are going to have issues. Stupid market. Why? It's my own fault. I thought I had taken the full loss and I didn't, and that's what did it. I had my loss set to be taken right here at the 890s, and I literally got filled only on one instead of two, and thought I could recover it, but no. No. I'm out of here, guys. I'm out. I need to get in the chair. Actually, I need to leave. I need to go mow the lawn. That's what I need to do. All right, guys, I'm out of here. We'll be back tomorrow. Take care. And God bless.